Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for hopping on another fun planner video with me today. So today's video is an unboxing of a new planner that I have here from the AfterGlow company. This was sent to me for review. It's a new self-care planner, so if you guys want to check this out, then keep on watching. So welcome back planners, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here on my channel. And from time to time I do get sent planner products to review here on my channel. And today I have a new self-care planner from the AfterGlow company. On their Instagram it's the AfterGlow company, but they're called AfterGlow company on their website. This was sent to me by the owner Daisy. She is a full-time mom, small business, and she sent me her new planner, which she is super excited about, and I'm definitely here to support her. So let's take a look at this. All right, it comes in this cute little box, and it says, stay organized, stay mindful. A little note from Daisy, thank you so much. And please don't mind my voice. I am getting over a little cold. So bear with me, but we're going to take a look at this cute, gorgeous new self-care planner. Okay, I also have some notes to the side so I can give you all the information that you guys need. I will also put some information about the planner in the video, and as well as the description box down below so you guys can check that out. All right, so this is her new self-care planner and journal in one. It's like a 2-in-1. And it does have like these beautiful like gold classy ring binding system here. It's actually really pretty. I like the way it shines. And it does have like a hard cover. And this one's called Strong Adele. So this one's called Strong Adele. I think she has 4 other ones. We'll take a look at some of those on her website a little bit later, but let's talk about this one. So let's look at the cover here. It's really pretty. It has like this, you know, gradient, like watercolor effect going on the covers, and this is the back side. So it does have that hard protective cover there. This was a little card that was in here. So it says, I believe in myself. My thoughts become my reality. I have come a long way. AfterGlow. A little information about them. Thank you for supporting our small business. We love our customers. We'll be glowing if you kindly leave us a review. That's cute. So it's the afterglowcompany.com, and on Instagram it's the AfterGlow. So they want you to use their hashtag once you get your beautiful planner. All right, so I do know off the bat that this is around $50, and it is a 6-month undated planner. It is based here in LA, California, so that's super cool. All right, so again, this is my first look at this as far as like reviewing and flip through. So once we flip it open, we have like on this hardcover here, we have like a little side pocket here with a sheet of stickers. These sheet of stickers here with the monthlies, and it's very colorful, and these are all like, I guess these would be kiss cut stickers, and they're kind of like a semi satin, so they're not really glossy, but they're not fully matte. You have some boxes here, you have the days of the month here in a box form, and then you have some cute icons down here, like daily icons. So you got a sheet of stickers to start out your monthly planning. Okay, this is really pretty. It says, stay organized, stay mindful. We help busy women live an organized life while prioritizing their mental health and wellness. Really nice. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Again, please forgive my voice. I do have a cough drop in, so. All right. So how to use this journal, how to use the planner. Let's take a look at this. So we have some affirmations here, what I'm grateful for, So ways to get your mind going and journaling in the morning, so things that you can be grateful for. I personally do verses of the day, so you could do verses of the day, affirmations, what you're grateful for, and then you can write down what's on your mind, just a little thought to release whatever you have in your mind. So that's cool. So you have like a journaling portion and then the planner portion. So this looks like maybe a daily planner. The 2 pages in front of me are actually like examples for you guys to fill out your pages, I'm assuming. So we have like the journal portion and the planner portion, and this is like a daily sheet. So you have like the date, a little hourly schedule, your wellness portion, nutrition, self-care, and a to-do list. This is definitely thought out, organized, very simple. And the paper, it definitely gives me Happy Planner paper. If you guys are familiar with Happy Planner paper, I'm not sure on the paper here, but again, I will try to put some information about this planner in the description or in the video, but I can tell you it's a lot thicker of a paper. Okay, turning the page, we have vision boards. So you have an example of a vision board filled out for you here, and then you can fill out this one yourself. That's cool. So you have goals completed by, list here, feeling as a benefit, actionable steps, and then another goal, and so forth. That's nice. So you do have a vision board. Okay, so here's your monthly view, and it's undated, and you have a little quote up at the top, and then she has these little cute, I think this is supposed to be like a sunrise icon. If you guys check out Plan a Life You'd Love podcast by Nikki J. Plans, this is how I was introduced by this company. I was listening to this podcast and she explained a little bit about her company and her planners coming out and the whole meaning behind AfterGlow. So she has like this little sunrise, and definitely go check out that podcast. You get to know a little bit more about this planner and her background. It's really beautiful story. And so I really think that's what these little icons, they're like sunrises, little icons there to put the dates in. So it's definitely just a blank canvas for you to write in the dates, write in your holidays, important dates and things like that. Yeah, so far the paper quality is really well. It's thick and sturdy. And then she does have laminated tabs here. They're all white and they're all laminated. You would have to label your tabs with a permanent marker or with sticker labels there for each section, or the sheet of stickers she gave you here, these colorful ones. But if you didn't want to use colorful ones, you'll definitely have to have something like this to put on there. Okay, let's flip the page here. So on the back side of the monthly divider, we have a weekly routine, Monday through Sunday. That's nice. So that can be if you have a chore weekly routine, or if you are a mom and you have a weekly routine of what's set in stone for your kids and your husband and just your entire family. You could put that there for you as a reference page, which is really nice. Those are something that a lot of planners do. Just they make their own pages and put that in their planner so they can have that to look at if they're in a busy month, or now that we're rolling into normal routines and schedules, that's something to have in your planner. Okay, so it looks like we have a quote here. Really pretty page. Okay, here's the journaling portion that I shared in the beginning of an example where she gives you an example of how to fill out the page, which is really cool. This is something new that I haven't seen in a planner, so that's really helpful for your affirmations, grateful for, and what's on your mind. So that's what this page is here. So you have your affirmations, what you're grateful for, and then jotting down something, what's on your mind, like releasing whatever it is you have on your mind. So here is your daily portion, and she starts you off with a quote. It says, organize your day. So you have your schedule, your to-do list, self-care, nutrition, and wellness. I really like this. This is so nice. Okay, so that repeats itself. With the journaling and organizing your day, just keeping yourself mindful, taking away those stress levels. All right, so this is how this planner is set up, where you have a monthly, you have a weekly routine, you have a beautiful, inspiring quote. You could add pictures here. I always love adding pictures to my planners, especially of my family or loved ones, my pets, anything that brings me joy. I love adding photos to my planner. So then you have your journaling portion, and then you're organizing your schedule of things that you need to get done. So this is how this planner is set up. That's awesome. So she wants to focus on your daily schedule, which currently as a planner myself, that's what I use, is a daily planner, and I just focus on things that I need to get done as my catch-all, you know, as a mom, and juggling all the things. So I just use a daily. I love that she has this weekly routine. You could also use this as a dinner thing. And then you still have your monthly, because monthlies are always important. This is what sets you up as a planner. So this sets up your schedule, birthdays, events, having all that planned out, holidays, vacations, and then when you go into your daily or weekly, you have this to look back at. So I like that she has a monthly in here. I'm just gonna flip through the dividers here. At the back here it says, congratulations, thank you for embarking on the journey with us. You have completed 6 months of staying organized and mindful. Our wish is that the process helps you as much as it helps us. We love to hear from you. Definitely follow them on Instagram, leave a review. And the only thing about these types of planners is they tend to come off the cover, these rings here. I don't know if it's because of it's such a wide ring here. So let me just fix this real quick. Okay, so I got it to close, and the thing is it just catches a little bit on these types of ring binders, and so the weight of it has some hardships when closing this. So sometimes I don't really like these types of bindings. Yeah, and I don't want to ruin this planner because it is beautiful. I think it's a beautiful, well thought out self-care planner. I like the idea of a self checklist, journaling portion, and having like a daily schedule. So this is nice. My only concern is the binding portion. So I think maybe if they would have a different option, or maybe a smaller binder, a smaller spiral binding, or maybe the inserts can come unbound. That way someone can use it as a disc system, or maybe as a ring, open ring planner. That way they can punch it and put it into their own planner cover. Because I love the inserts. Again, I love the idea of having a organized journal and planner in one. I really love that, because I am a planner who loves self-care and wellness and just getting things done and not worry about all the other stuff. So again, I think it's a really thought out planner. I love the name. I just I'm not so sure about this binding portion, because there is a lot here. And I get it that it's a 6-month planner, but I know that this is going to be a hardship with this type of cover. But it's a beautiful planner. Thank you so much to Daisy for sending me this so I could share this with you all. Again, I do love the pages. They're really pretty and crisp and white. And I think the layout is pretty clean. It's not too busy. So you can just highlight things that is a priority in your schedule. You don't have to list out your whole schedule. And then your to-dos, self-care. This could be to-dos for your house, or to-dos for work, or to-dos for another section of your life that needs to be focused on. And then of course your self-care, your wellness and nutrition. I like that she does nutrition in here too. So I love the idea of this planner. So here we are on Instagram. Again, they're called the AfterGlow Company, and you just want to hit their bio link. And she has where you can shop. She has free printables. She has an affiliate program. Of course, you do have to have an Instagram, planner account to join. And she has a stress quiz for you. So that's pretty cool. So we're just gonna hit shop planners, and it takes you to her website so you can shop there. And I want to share the other planners she has. She has 4 in total, and you have Graceful Hazel, Daring Tiffany, Strong Adele, which is the one I had, and then Bold Rose. This one's really pretty. Kind of gives you like a calm desert look. And if you scroll down, it gives you all the information about using this type of planner with self-care and like a daily journal portion, and how to stay focused, flexibility, consistency, motivation, and then gives you the details of the cover pages and all that sort of stuff. So that is what I will put in my description box for you all. But I just wanted to share that. And we'll just hit back and just scroll down. So again, she is a little mama. I love the pictures of, the kiddos in there. It's really hard to juggle all that and have your own business. I really love the concept of this planner. I think it's a gorgeous cover. I love the simplicity to it, and that you can add your own stickers and color to it. My only concern, again, is this binding. So maybe in the future they will change that up or offer something different. But again, thank you to Daisy and the Afterglow for sending me this to review for you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.